So this is a 2013 Golf Wagon TDI. I'm struggling with the things. I mean, so the rear headsets, headrests actually, sorry, have a little push button to remove the headrest, and on the other side there's like this stupid pin that sits right in the middle, or to the side here, and that has to be pushed in using the little opening that's on this side. So you have to actually stick in a screwdriver and push it in, which is a real pain in the ass. So I'm gonna remove this, and I did it for the two others already, so that you cannot see here because it's getting really dark. So the first step, and I heard you could actually twist this and pop it. This hasn't really worked for me. I actually had to pry under. So if you look carefully, there are two layers underneath there, and there's a bit of an opening. So you have to just press on the one that's basically the little cap, right? So it's really hard to see, but you squeeze your screwdriver in there, and you might damage it just a little bit, but that's really not a huge deal. And you pry, and you hope that this is gonna pop, which has started to pop already. There you go, it's popped, and then at that point the thing comes off. Now the reason why you have to be careful is because underneath it you have plastic there, right? As you see, I damaged it a little bit, and you don't want to damage this too much, ideally. And then you find a push button underneath it, which is really retarded because you cannot get to it because this little cap on top is sitting right on top of it. So don't ask, like, I really don't know why this is designed this way. This is just bizarre. And then you have to really be careful and see, there's a little opening, like right, so there's the pin. We're gonna remove this, and there's an opening right here, right? And if you squeeze a screwdriver in there and pry again, it pops, right? And it pops out, and that piece here comes out, right? So at that point you can put your screwdriver again there you go. It's all about screwdriver, nothing really a super precision work, as you can tell, and that comes off, right? And there you go, you got your mechanism right there. Sorry for the poor lighting conditions, so late here. And what we'll do is we're gonna take the pin out, and to do this you need to, I'm gonna try to actually show you how to do this. You grab a paper clip or something, and then you hold it best you can. It's really hard because I really don't have any way to hold this in place properly, but you hold it in place like so. I'll try to do this. I need both hands to do this. It's a bit of a mess. And actually this pin is already coming out on its own, right? But what you would do is you would actually take the pin out, or if you have another pin or a little paper clip, you just push the paper clip in, and it's going to basically chase the pin out. So I keep all the pins just in case. There's probably no point. You'll notice that there's also a little sleeve that is right on top of the pin, which is probably just to not to damage the actual headrest. And this is it. I mean, once you're at that point, you put this back in like so, push it in. This still pushes, but it's completely pointless because there's literally nothing to push anymore there. And then you pop the thing back on. It keeps falling. So put it the way it was, with a little opening to the right. Done. This is it. So at that point, you're done. So I hope this is gonna be helpful. As you can tell, it's pretty quick. There's no damage visible, so it's all nice and clean. And I've done the two others, which now can be removed by simply using the right little push button and not the stupid screwdriver in the opening. I hope this is helpful. Okay, thanks guys. Like if you enjoy the video.